What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day. I've been looking forward to this for a while because today is the day that I'm finally getting my newly arrived FI exhaust finally installed into my BMW M850i. So that's going to make a huge difference because right now my garage is dominated by the R8. And my BMW has always had to play second fiddle. But with the new exhaust being installed, well, that might change. Or at least the BMW might have a chance. Okay, probably not. But still, we're gonna at least kick it up a notch. Because you see, we definitely need to open up that V8. It already sounds good. It's got good crackles and pops, but I think it can sound a little bit better. Now, will it ever match up to the R8? No, the R8's a legend. But like I said, it deserves something to kind of take it to the next level. My neighbor Jason, who has this big, huge black Ram truck, which is heavily modified, by the way, and I might make a video about that one day, was kind enough to offer to help deliver the exhaust to the shop where I'm getting it installed. And he's about to be here any minute. And here is Jason now. What's up, Jason? So the install is happening at EP3 Motorsports in St. Charles, Illinois. And it's about a little over a 1-hour drive, which I did not realize. So, you know, my hat's off to Jason for basically doing a 2-hour drive to deliver an exhaust for his neighbor. So I definitely owe him something for this. I was originally just going to get him a 12-pack of beer, but it's looking like it's going to be a case. Finally, when the exhaust is installed, there's definitely going to be a startup sound and some revs at the end of this video, so I really can't wait for that. Now, if my viewers want to compare to the stock exhaust, I already have a video of some revs and a drive-by, which I'll put a link to that video in the description below. I'll also do a drive-by of my car with the new exhaust in another video, mostly because my video lengths are kind of limited due to the memory on my cell phone. That's because I'm such a cheap and lazy YouTuber, at least at this time. Here we are at EP3 Motorsports. There's Jason. Looks like he beat me here. All right, so just dropped off the exhaust and work is gonna get started soon, but I'm just looking at the lot here, and this place has got some really sweet cars. You've got this M3 that's got some kind of exhaust here. I mean, you have all these BMWs. Most of them are probably M cars. In the shop, there's an X4M that's getting a Dynon exhaust. Check this out with the carbon fiber hood. One of my favorites is this M6 competition. Look how badass this is. Look at these wheels. Those wheels are sick, man. And it's got some kind of carbon fiber diffuser, probably an exhaust. Definitely looks lowered. Got a little rear wing here, carbon fiber handles, carbon fiber mirror, which is probably stock anyway. Carbon fiber front grille and front splitter. Check that out. Yeah, I mean, you can definitely go all out with these cars. Got a little tow hook thingy over here. And here's my car. Here we are in the shop at EP3 Motorsports. So there it is on a lift, huh? I think I've only seen the underside of this car once when I first inspected it before I bought it. Look at that stock exhaust. It's got a lot of salt. Isn't that a bunch of salt, right?
Yeah. Yeah, a bunch of salt from the winter.
So it look like it's in good condition?
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
All right, and this is Matt. He's going to be working on my car.
Yep, I'm going to be doing the exhaust. It's going to be a good time.
All right.
A little bit louder.
Awesome. So the downpipe ends here, and this is about where the new exhaust is going to start, all the way back. So this has a Bluetooth-based system where you can use your phone, an app on your phone, to open and shut your valve, and then you also have a actual valve controller right here. All right, so Matt laid the exhaust out for us, and here we are. We've got the X pipe over there, and then we got the muffler back here. And we're about to get started. So I forgot to mention that FI sent me this sweatshirt, which I'm wearing with the exhaust. Sent a couple of other goodies here. Pretty cool looking keychain. A couple of stickers. And even playing cards. All right, so Matt's getting started here, bringing down the original exhaust. Loosening up the muffler. Down it goes. All right, so the exhaust is in. Nice job, Matt. All shiny. Wow. It will never look this good again. All right, we're about to start it up with a valve closed. Oh, that's quiet. So, opening the valve. Oh wow, huge difference. Yeah. So much louder than stock. All right, we're gonna capture a pull in Sport Plus mode with the new FI exhaust. Okay everybody, I just left EP3 Motorsports a couple of minutes ago. I'm in my car right now and the valve is open. I've opened and shut the valve, and there is no drone whatsoever. Even when I did I pushed the throttle a little bit. I didn't go too hard, but I'm not getting any drone at all, which is great because this is my daily driver. I'd like to give a shout out to EP3 Motorsports. Matt, you did a great job. Brian, Zach, you were all great. It was a long day. Also, I want to give a shout out to Chris at FI. I think their product is really high quality, and I can tell that already. My review of this exhaust so far, I think it's really nice. I think it's actually exactly what I was going for. You know, this is again my daily driver. I sometimes get up in the morning and take this out early. I don't want something that's so obnoxious that it wakes up the whole neighborhood like my R8 does. It's louder, but it's not a ton louder. The tone is a little bit more, a little bit different as well. And especially in sport mode, when, I don't know if, you can never tell with these videos how an exhaust really sounds. I mean, you really just have to be here in person and take my word for it. I mean, the pops and the bangs are way louder. And it's definitely, I guess I would say it's like 20-30% louder than stock. But the pops and bangs are like maybe double as loud as stock. So it's enhanced, but in a tasteful way. So I think this is exactly what I was going for, and I'm really happy with it. I'm definitely going to do some more videos and maybe do some drive-bys and pulls, and so look out for that. I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll catch you next time.